Hi guys, let me show you the most popular math tricks that will blow your mind. All the timestamps are down below, and before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for weekly videos. And also, if you want to know more about how I can help you in your child's math education, then the links are in the description below. And let's dive right in. This method vertically and crosswise, this applies to any multiplication. So let's write this 21 times 32 like this. And here we have this pattern. First we do left column, this one, right? So 2 times 3 is 6. Then next step is crosswise. 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 plus 3 is 7. We add these products, that is 7, and the third step is right column, that is 1 times 2, that is 2. The first step is left column. Then we cross multiply and add, and then the third step is right column. So you can see there is a pattern here and it gives us the final answer. And this same method can be extended to multiply 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, but here I will just tell you 2-digit numbers, 2-digit by 2-digit. So 34 times 56, first step is both left, right? So 3 times 5 is 15. We write 15 like this. And then we cross multiply and add. So 3 times 6 is 18 and 5 times 4 is 20. 18 and 20 is 38. We write 38 like this. And the last step is 4 times 6 is 24. So we write 24 like this. Now here we have to go step by step from left to right. When we write 38 like this, we have to actually this 3 is carried to the left to 15 to make it 18. So 15 plus 3 is 18. So we have 188 on the left, and then we have 24. In this 24, we write this. This 2 is carried to the left to make this 188 as 190, and we have 4 here. Again, this 38 and 24, you can write it as, we write 15, and you can write 38 like this also if you want. 38 like this. You have place for one digit and the other digit will carry it to the left. And when it's 24, 4 times 6 is 24 here, you write that 24 here like this, 24. Now you can add them. This is 4, this is 10, 1 caret, 5, here this is 9. It's the same answer, but with a little practice, you can do all of this mentally, and that's our answer, 1904. Okay, I will not go into 3 digit by 3 digit, but if the digits are very small like this one, what you can do is you can apply the same method of 2 digits on 3 digits also. Just separate that, just split them here. So it will be 2 numbers, 12 and 3. 123 will become 12, and let me write it, 12 and 3. This is 123, and this 132 will become 13 and here 2. We can multiply them as we did here, vertically and crosswise. So the first step here is left with the left, right? 12 times 13. Now I will not tell you how to do 12 times 13. Why? Because in the last video, this is trick number 6. There is trick number 1, 2. Let me see. It is trick number 4. If you go to trick number 4, it tells you how to multiply numbers just above 10 or just above any base number, 10, 100, any power of 10. So you can apply that method to 12 times 13 to get 156 here, right? Then the next step is we cross multiply and add this with this and this with this. So 12 times 2 is 24 and 13 times 3 is 39. 39 plus 24 is, now if we add 40 instead of 39, it will be 64 and 1 less will be 63. So it will be, let's write 6 here and 3 here. And the last step here is we do the right column, that is 3 times 2, it's 6. Now we add them, it's 1, 6, 2, 3, 6, that's our answer. Any number that is ending in 5, like 75, 65, 25, etc., it's very easy to square these numbers. Whatever number is beside 5, it's 7 here, just multiply this number by its next number. 7 times next number is 8. 7 times 8 is 56. That's first part of the answer. And the second part is you just write 25. No need to do anything. And by the way, 25 is this 5 squared. Again, next number of this 6 is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. And then we write 25. 4225 is our answer. Here, next number of 2 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we write 25. That's our answer. Now, this same concept can be applied here. Let's see how. Actually, this 4.5 is 4.5, right? 4.5 squared or 4.5 squared, it's same. If we just ignore this point, it's same as 45 squared, right? And 45 squared with this technique, we know that next number of this 4 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And then we write 25. But here, because the point is after one space, we have to put point after two spaces in the answer. It's 20.25. But here what we'll do, 4 times next number is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And because we want to give the answer as it is in the question, so square of half is 1 over 4 or 1/4. And we can see here also 0.25 or 25 cents, it's 1/4. And that's our answer. Now this same concept can be applied to bigger numbers also. So whenever you see it's easier number, like here it's 30. 30 times next number 31 is not that bad. 30 times 31 is same as, just multiply 3 by 31. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. And we have this 0. So 930. And then we write 25 and that's our answer. This is a special multiplication or special case multiplication. When the first digit is the same in both the numbers and the last digits, this 3 and this 7, they add up to 10, then we can apply this method. So whatever digit is same here, in this case it's 4. The next number of 4 is 5. So we multiply this 4 by its next number, 5. 4 times 5 is 20. That's first part of the answer. And second part of the answer, we multiply the last digits, last digit by the last digit. So 3 times 7 is 21. That's our answer, 2021. Exactly same thing here. Same digit is 6. So 6 times next number 7 is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. And then the next part is last digit by last digit. 2 times 8 is 16. So for this trick, special trick to work, first digit must be same and the last digits, they add up to 10. Here same digit is 6. So next number is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So it applies. 1 times 9 is 9. But be careful here. We are talking about here the base is 100. That's why we have two digits here. 9 times 9 will not write just 9. It has to be 09. Be careful here. And then because if it is 60 only, and that is also this 69 is also 60. Still 6 times 6 is 36 and we have two zeros. So how come the bigger numbers 61 times 69 can be 429 only? Okay. So here also we know the first number, we deal it as single number 20. This is same, and the last digits they add up to 10, 4 and 6. We can apply this to bigger numbers also. So 20 times 21 is easy. 20 times 21, the next number 21, and we just have to multiply 22 by 21 to 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2, and we have this 0, so 420. So we write 420 here, and 4 times 6 is 24. So we write 24 here, and that's our final answer. It's very easy to square numbers that are near base, and base means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, any power of 10. So this 96 is near 100, and we see the deficiency or surplus from 100. 96 is 4 less than 100, so we subtract 4 from 96 to get 92. Be careful here. If it is minus 4, we have to do minus 4 here from this same number 96. And if it is plus 4, we add that 4 to our number. Okay. So that's first part of the answer 92. And second part of the answer, we square the same number, same deficiency or surplus. So 4 times 4 is 16. That's our answer. 9216. Here also we have plus 7. It's 107 is 7 above 100. So we add 7 to 107. So to make it 114. That's first part of the answer. And then we square this 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So that's our answer, 11449. And the same concept can be applied to bigger bases also. Here 6 is 1006 is 6 above 1000. So we have 6 here plus 6. So we'll add this 6 to 1000 to 1006 to make it 1012. We added 6 to this whole number 1006 to make it 1012, and then we square this same 6. But be careful here, because we are dealing with 1000 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So in the second part of the answer we have 3 spaces. So 6 times 6 is 36, but we'll write 036 to occupy all these spaces. Multiplying by 5, 50 and 25 is very easy. These are very easy numbers or friendly numbers. So 5 is actually 10 divided by 2, right? Half of 10 is 5. So whenever we are multiplying by 5, we can consider it as multiplying by 10 and then dividing the result by 2. And in the beginning it seems that it's 2 steps, but actually when we start doing that, it's very easy. So let's do this. If I multiply this 44, I just have to add 0 to it. So 440, and when we divide it by 2, we may do half of it. We should know how to do half of a number very quickly. So it will be 220, and that's our answer. 44 times 5 is 220. Here also we just put a 0 here. 87 will become 870, and then when we do half of it, half of 8 is 4, and be careful here, half of 70 is 35, and that's our answer. 87 times 5 is 435 here. Now 4.6 times 10 will be, just we shift the point here, it will become 46, and then we take half of 46 to make it 23, and that's our answer. 4.6 times 5 is 23. Now same concept will be used for 50. Why? Because 5 is half of 10 and 50 is half of 100, the bigger base. So we'll do the same. We, instead of putting 1 0, we'll put 2 zeros, meaning we have multiplied by 100, and then we take half of it. So half of 2000 is 1000 and half of 700 is 350, and you can half it any way you like. There are many ways. So easier is this one for me, from left to right. So I use this one. And here 25 is what? 100 divided by 4, I can say. But actually the easier method is we multiply the number by number that is being multiplied by 25. We just multiply it by 100 and do half twice. So that's easier. 8200, right? 8200, and we take half of it once, so 4100, and then we take half of it. Now half of 4100 is 4000, half of 4000 is 2000, and half of 100 is 50, but be careful, we have 3 digits here. So 050, or you have many ways to do half of it. You can do it your way. 6.8, if I multiply it by 100, we have to shift this point 2 places to the right, but we have only, if we shift it 1 place, it will become 68, then shift it again, it will become 680. So 6.8 times 100 is 680, and half of 680 is 340, and half of 340 is, half of 300 is what? 150, and half of 40 is 20, so it will become 170, right? You can do it like that, and that's our answer. 6.8 times 25 is 170. If you found these tricks useful, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for weekly videos. And also, if you are at the point of frustration regarding your child's math education, then click the link below to see how can I help you. And thanks for watching, really appreciate that. Until next time, happy journey from math hell to math heaven.